Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while.
Too long,
I know. But right now we're back. We came to Silverwood, I believe it's called. We hope
Silverwood
we
Lake.
catch some fish. Look at that beautiful lake.
Right behind us.
They just stopped yesterday.
So we're hoping we get into some fish. I think, who's gonna catch more fish?
Me. How dare you? Don't fight me.
Can I catch at least one fish today?
Yeah, sure, Dad, sure.
Yeah.
So look guys, so we've been fishing. Last time we put out a video was in March. It's been months.
Oh my.
But we've been fishing. Yeah, it's been that long. We just haven't caught any fish. So hopefully today we're still gonna put the video out if we don't catch any fish, because I'm pretty sure our viewers want to watch our videos and they miss us.
Yeah.
So what do you guys got to say?
I gotta say this. So I have waders. They were messed up. If I could bring them out right now, I would. In this video, you guys will see me use. Follow it.
Oh, Brooke, you're on over here.
That one needs you. No, I think I'm gonna beat it.
Yeah. Are you on, Brooke?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I'm on. That sucker is not easy, Dad. Dang, it went under the line.
That's a nice one.
Come here, sucker.
Keep reeling, Brooke.
They want to do this for me?
Yeah.
Ooh. I was in the net, but never mind.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, how you doing? You're still on? It's a baby.
Yeah, quick, get it.
Don't bring him on the. Yeah, never mind.
Come here. Get it, BK.
There you go.
This one. Oh no, oh no. Is this a baby, Dad?
It is?
Barely even heavy, too. Wait, 1 second. Let me get the net now.
I feel like it took the bait.
Think so? Put the bobber back on it? Oh, you did, huh? Oh, you sure?
I think it's gonna jump, too.
Yeah, set the hook on it.
Where's the duck?
Yeah, set the hook. Came off?
Yep.
Jeez. Very good. Real. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's a big one, Cleo. Fish on. You just over there.
Okay. Keep reeling.
Oh, there it is. I don't know where it is.
Come on this side. Get over mine. Yep. And reel.
Dang it. It's stuck. Nope, it's not on this side. Get over here. He's a big one, Cleo. I can't land him on shore. I've never had this much of a problem in my life with these waders. Go! Get out!
Walk to the left, Brooke. Walk to the left. Walk to the left.
Hey, go on this side. Don't let him get under. Come on, we're showing you.
No, it's on. Oh, it's a baby. Under it, son, under it. All right.
I just couldn't get it. I have to tell.
That's a good one. That's a keeper.
Set that up, Khalil. I just did. That rod high?
Yep.
You want to be sure because you always stay rod low sometimes on the water.
Yeah, on the boat, yeah.
Yeah, on the boat you want to stay low. Just like this, you want to stay high. I'm going in that.
All right, go ahead.
No, for it, Khalil.
Beach it. Yeah.
That keeper? This is the once in a lifetime game. Hey guys, so we left the lake. We did a decent job. Comment or like down below if you think my waders worked.
I think they did. We fished for about a good amount of 4 hours.
Hey, I need to stay longer. I need my 5 hours so I can catch 10 more fish.
I told my daughter we were gonna fish 5. I forgot how many hours I told her we were gonna.
6.
But we just had such a great day of fishing that we just, we left them biting. Let other people catch them. You caught your limit. You caught fish. Big old skunk. I didn't catch. I don't remember when last time I even caught a fish.
You just bring us.
I think it's. I'm just a ride, guys.
Yeah.
But I'm happy that my kids catch fish and they have a good time. And my son is learning how to jig. I had to give my daughter some waders. Maybe.
Wait,
because
comment
if I
down
do,
below-
she's going to
comment
be in
down-
the middle of the lake. I already know her.
Comment down below if you think he should get meat weight.
Hey guys, like and subscribe if you think she shouldn't. If we reach a thousand likes or subscribes, we will not give her waders.
No.
All right,
if
guys,
If you reach 10 likes, you guys have to get
You guys heard it. If this video reaches 10 likes, I'm gonna buy her some waders, camouflage with some pink on it.
How this?
I'll buy you some
1,000
too.
likes. 1,000 likes?
1,000 likes? Well, I don't think we're there yet. You really don't want her to get waders. Let's do 20 likes.
Okay, that's fair.
20.
Hold up, how many likes do we get on the video?
I have to check. But let's do 20 likes. I think 20 sounds fair. Right?
Okay.
Okay, so thank you
We'll
guys
do
for
15.
watching. 15?
Yeah.
All right,
No,
15.
20.
20 is more than 15.
Okay, wait, 20 is more. Okay, then 15.
All right, so thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. We try to get as much footage as we can. I'm glad that we're actually able to put a video out since
My
it's been
dad,
so
my
long.
brother was threw the rod out, and as soon as he brought it
Oh,
back,
yeah.
there was a fish on it.
It was on fire. So thank you guys for
I don't
watching.
think we recorded that part, but I'm gonna tell you guys it right now.
Go ahead, son.
So when I casted it with my waders, I'm in the water. I'm just pulling like this. I have the rod on my shoulder, and then out of nowhere, I just feel tugging. I put it in the
Good
rod
thing you
holder,
didn't
and
fall
I see just tugging. I'm like, BK, get over here.
And I reeled it in, and it was a big one.
We caught some and we released some as well.
Yeah. Because they were little babies.
Yeah, but